Ever feel like your M1 finance pie is a little out of whack? Maybe you've got a stock that's run up and now it's a much bigger slice of the pie than you intended, or perhaps a new opportunity has popped up and you want to shift some funds around without waiting for your next deposit. If you've ever wondered how to take a more hands-on approach and manually rebalance your M1 portfolio, you're in the right place. M1's automated rebalancing is fantastic, but sometimes you need to make a move yourself. And it's actually a lot simpler than you might think. We're going to walk through the exact steps to manually rebalance your M1 pie, giving you back control over your investments. First things first, log into your M1 account and head over to the Investments tab. From here, select the pie you want to adjust. Now, before you do anything, you need to understand that M1's manual rebalancing is all about selling overallocated slices and buying underallocated ones. You can't just move money from one slice to another directly. So, how do we do it? You need to trigger a sell order and a buy order at the same time. The easiest way to do this is to use a withdrawal or a new deposit as a catalyst. But let's say you don't want to add or withdraw any money. The key is to make a small change that triggers a rebalance. Here's the trick. Go into your pie settings and find the stock or ETF you want to reduce. Click on it and change its target percentage. Let's say it was 15% and now you want it to be 10%. Change the number and save the change. M1 will now recognize that this holding is overallocated based on its new target. Next, find the slice you want to increase. Change its target percentage to a higher number. This tells M1 that this holding is now underallocated. Now, here's the crucial step. You need to initiate a manual rebalance. On the M1 app, you'll see an option to rebalance your pie. Clicking this will prompt M1 to sell a portion of the overallocated slices and use the proceeds to buy more of the underallocated ones, bringing everything back to your new, desired percentages. This is the manual way of telling M1 to bring your portfolio back in line with your targets. Keep in mind, these trades will execute during the next trading window, which is usually at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time on market days. It's also important to remember that selling assets can have tax implications, so be mindful of that, especially with short-term gains. So, while M1's automated system is great for set-and-forget investing, knowing how to manually rebalance gives you the flexibility to react to market changes and realign your portfolio exactly when you need to. It's a powerful tool to have in your investing toolkit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.